Your why is the reason you're downsizing in the first place. Do you want to downsize to save money so you can travel more? Will downsizing improve your life by simplifying and having less clutter? Here's a pro tip. Put something visible in a prominent place to remind yourself every day why you are downsizing. Do a trial run with furniture and space in your current location. Use tape or rope to mark off the square footage of your new room and place furniture and belongings in the taped area to see how it will feel to live with less. Do you need a designated work from home space? Is it important for you to have a wine or coffee bar? Before you choose your downsized house, make sure you work out the must-haves. Be sure to give yourself plenty of time. It takes longer than you think. Going through stuff is physically and emotionally stressful. Whether you are downsizing now or in the near future, purging trash and giving away or selling unwanted items is liberating. Here's a pro tip. Stop buying things to bring into your current home until you know how you will use them in your new space. You are not your stuff. Stuff provides great memories, but remember, your worth is not defined by your home or your stuff, so give yourself a break. It's okay to say that you don't want certain possessions anymore. Although the transition period can be stressful, many people find that they live a fuller and happier life with less. As a seniors real estate specialist, my mission is to help seniors navigate the maze of issues that come with the sale of a home using good old-fashioned values in a modern world while making the transaction less stressful and more successful. Stay safe and well. Thanks for watching.